Get ready for a groundbreaking moment in space exploration. China is on the brink of launching the Shenzhou-21 crewed spacecraft, and the world is watching. But here's where it gets fascinating. The Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China has just completed a full-scale rehearsal, marking a pivotal step toward mission readiness. Officials have confirmed that the launch complex is now fully prepped for this historic event. But here's where it gets controversial. While some celebrate this as a leap forward in China's space ambitions, others question the allocation of resources and the broader implications for global space dominance. What do you think? Is this a step toward humanity's greater good, or a strategic move in a larger geopolitical game? To ensure the mission's success, the launch site has undergone a series of comprehensive upgrades. Key infrastructure and procedures have been optimized, reflecting a commitment to precision and safety. Hu Yonggang from the Jiuquan Center revealed to China Media Group, CMG, that a state-of-the-art data and operations center has been established, adhering to principles of centralized deployment and functional zoning. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a game-changer for how missions are managed. And this is the part most people miss. The renovated communications room now supports remote operations and monitoring, allowing staff to observe equipment status, room conditions, and critical parameters in real time. This level of detail ensures that checks and troubleshooting can be performed with unprecedented efficiency. Imagine controlling a spacecraft's environment from miles away. It's like having a virtual cockpit on the ground. In a move that underscores their commitment to precision, the launch site has adopted a differentiated maintenance strategy for its facilities and equipment. Inspections are now conducted by level, category, and schedule, shifting equipment management from a broad, one-size-fits-all approach to a more targeted, precise control model. This isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about preventing issues before they arise. Temperature control of the launch tower is another critical factor, ensuring both the rocket's safety and the stability of its propellant. The technical team has implemented detailed measures to maintain stable environmental conditions, a must-have for successful rocket testing and launch. Shang Fan from the Jiuquan Center highlighted the role of big data in this process. With real-time assessments of ground equipment status, maintenance frequency can be dynamically adjusted, aligning with the specific needs of gas, electrical, hydraulic, and pressure systems. The result: improved efficiency and quality in ground equipment inspections. Here's a thought-provoking question: as China continues to advance its space capabilities, how will this impact international collaboration and competition in space exploration? Will it inspire greater cooperation, or will it deepen divisions among global powers? The China Manned Space Agency announced on Friday that the Shenzhou-21 will be launched at an appropriate time in the near future. As we await this historic event, one thing is clear: this mission is not just about reaching space, it's about redefining what's possible. What are your thoughts? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation about the future of space exploration.